umuntu ebeka off Nuno was off because beyimshaya Shane mawungabheka beka lose amabhola and uyahluleka nokumarka so ngicabanga ukuthi bekumdlali ebekumele ngabe mhlambe bamkhiphe early but good substitute kulo uCarlos ama sub wakhe awalethile amsebenzele Shane ngicale ngoMatthews ubheke uAlende ubheke Mthiba played very well Shane played very well uCarlos understand ukuthi now I need someone ozongwinela amabhola up front I know ukuthi lamajita azokhuphuka ubani lentwana le uKhasim lentwana edlala left back yo Shane what a player Shane quality ama jewels awawinile lo mjita lo ngiyacabanga ukuthi uwina ama jewels plus or minus 90% so kusho wona ukuthi le quality lapha kule left back inhle kakhulu Shane because beka ngayi wide because ama invect ukuthi okay ngcono ngene phakathi because kune space lapha phakathi uma boTebs abaphindela bamnikeze ispace ukuthi babiyele emuva so yeah Shane ngiyacabanga ukuthi be deserve Sundowns ukuthi iwine Shane no Ronza sibonile enze mistake but ekugcineni uya rectify ya mistake so well deserved for Imamelodi Sundowns I think kunesikhathi Shane bayilindile lento